I told you.
At least that's what TikTok thinks.
Guys, MVP, y'all, Rob.
MVP Samboy. MVP Samboy.
Everybody's MVP here.
MVP Samboy. I feel so full.
Did I close the door behind me? I do not remember doing that. I love me. That.
Love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
I want a uvula review. Y'all don't want a uvula. Y'all don't want a uvula review for real. So like I went into it with expectations of it being as good as like cookie dough is. I feel like y'all need to.
It's just not it. It's just not it. But I got on to say what's up. Run a little day stream. I'll probably move in like the 20th through the 23rd, somewhere around there. My classes start Tuesday, so or not my bio, in my link tree. I tried to put in my link tree, but it didn't really work.